Hello viewers, today I'll show you my very own unique meat recipe which is inspired by Persian cuisine and uses plenty of dry fruits and nuts. I'm using hogget meat, but you can use lamb or mutton as well for this recipe. Here I have 500 grams of diced boneless hogget, which is a sheep that is between 1 to 2 years old. I'll also need 1 sliced medium white onion, 3 large garlic cloves chopped up, 1 diced apple, a handful each of chopped dry prunes and dates, a handful of chopped walnuts and equal amounts of slithered pistachios, almonds and raisins, 1 dry black lemon, 1 teaspoon Golpar or Angelica, a specialty ingredient with a unique aroma. I'll just coarsely grind it up. I'll also use 1 tablespoon each dry rose petals, green cardamom powder, cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and half teaspoon black pepper powder. Let's mix them together to make the spice blend. I'll also need pomegranate molasses and 30 milliliters of lemon juice. Add some oil to a cast iron pot. Then add the sliced onions and chopped garlic into the pot. Fry for 2 minutes. Then add the meat into the pot. Fry well on high heat for 3 to 4 minutes to sear the meat and brown it on all sides. Then add the spice blend and the lemon juice and mix everything together. Now it's time to add the coarsely ground Golpar or Angelica and mix it in. Now we'll add the apple, prunes and dates as well as the walnuts into the pot and give the pot a good stir. Add 1½ tablespoons of pomegranate molasses, followed by salt according to your taste. Mix everything well. Add enough water to cook the meat. Add the black lime and dunk it in. Cover and cook on low flame for 45 minutes or till the meat is cooked. Give the pot a stir from time to time. As you can see, after 45 minutes, it's dark and jammy and the meat is nice and tender. Let's plate up our deliciously different fruit and nut meat. Garnish with the almonds, pistachios and raisins and serve with naans or pulaus. My fruit and nut meat recipe is inspired by Persian cuisine and has a unique sweet and savoury quality to it. This Persian style hogget recipe is quite calorific and is best suited for the autumn and winter months. The depth of flavour in this recipe is truly remarkable because of the uniqueness of the special ingredients used. Give it a try and enjoy.